Today, I'm trying Din Tai Fung the local way. Not in the traditional sit-down restaurant, but at their takeout counter near Yongkang Street. This location is strictly to go. Most people grab their order and head to the nearby park or plaza. To order, you fill out this simple piece of paper, checking off anything you want. I'm choosing 2 dishes today, a local favorite and a personal of mine. Every order is handled carefully, and it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to get the food. While I wait, I grab the Japanese green tea for the walk ahead. This neighborhood is where Din Tai Fung first rose to fame. The original restaurant opened just around the corner back in 1972, transforming Yongkang Street from a quiet residential lane into Taipei's most iconic food destination. I'm heading towards Yongkang Park, just a few minutes away. This area is one of Taipei's most popular food neighborhoods, full of cafes, small eateries, and a quiet residential streets. Yongkang Park is peaceful, shaded, and a favorite spot for families to unwind. Locals walk slowly, shops open early, and the atmosphere feels relaxed compared to downtown. Time to dig in. The first box is a classic pork Xiao bao, 5 dumplings, each perfectly folded with the signature 18 pleats. These dumplings are filled with marinated pork and a rich broth that melts as soon as you bite into it. Next up, the spicy shrimp and pork wontons. This dish is famous for its bold, silky sauce, a mix of chili oil, garlic, soy, sesame, and a touch of vinegar. These are soft and tender and full of both heat and flavor. The combination of chili and sesame is addictive. Look at that, soft, delicate wonton skin with a spicy kick, the perfect balance. Yongkang Park is a peaceful spot. Parents chatting, kids running around, and everyone enjoying their early lunch. And of course, a classic Taiwan beer to finish the meal. Light, refreshing, and perfect for a sunny Taipei afternoon. See you next time.